Welcome to our factory strength demonstration video. In this video, we will showcase our supersized assembly site and various high-quality tent materials. This is our high-quality tent material. We utilize advanced heat sealing technology and micro-trace stitching process to ensure each tent features the ultimate edge stitching. With high-precision hardware cutting and laser cutting machines, along with precise angle cutting with machines, we guarantee the precision of every component. Additionally, our employment of micro-trace splicing technology and cutting-edge laser cutting lathes ensures sturdy and precise tent assembly. Our factory is equipped with automatic cutting and conveying equipment to ensure the efficiency and quality of hardware processing. With complete hardware processing instruments and fittings meeting high standards, our leading welding technology ensures each tent possesses outstanding durability and stability. We are committed to providing customers with high-quality products and services. Next is our product display. Thank you for watching our factory strength demonstration video. If you're interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.